Alright, I'm on the northernmost island of Tsukishima, south of Ginza, and I just want to show you this construction here. Very interesting. I'm guessing it's a pile driver, maybe? Not really sure. I do know this whole island is man-made. This guy's waiting on me. Sorry, lady. I do know this whole island is basically field dirt. It's man-made. So, yeah, I don't know how they do that, you know? They're gonna hit soft mud really far down, so I don't know if they have to shoot for bedrock or what the deal is, but anyway, this is in Tsukishima. This is the island where they're going to have the Olympics in 2020, or at least one of the venues of the Olympics in 2020.